Hey everybody, so I wanted to make a video and just tell you how my first month went teaching on Skillshare. Now, some of you may be thinking about courses and I have thought about being a course creator, and I have said lots of times since I found Skillshare that I think it's the easiest place for people to get started. And I just wanted to show you how my first month went. And I'm not going to say that I went and made a bajillion dollars because I didn't. I don't have time to invest, full-time work into being a course creator. I have a little time here, a little time there. But this is what I was able to do in the first month. And for people who have never made a single dollar online, it's pretty cool to actually be able to go on and invest a little bit of time and then make at least a little bit of money. So this is the Skillshare platform you can see on my screen, and in the teacher's stats section, if you just go up to teach up here and then click your teacher stats, and I'll just show you the back end. So what it does is it has, how much you've earned, how many students you have, minutes watched, and reviews. And so I joined as a teacher in October, but I really didn't post anything until really November. So November is the first month of 2018 that I actually posted any courses. And so I tried to post once a week. And what I found was it was not too difficult to just sit down and record something, anything using, the free screen share, which I'm using right now, the screen share recording software. I use a Screencast-O-Matic, the free option, but and then so I posted once a week for a month, and then what I found was most of my stuff really didn't get looked at all that much, but there were a lot of people who would watch a minute or two here or there. And because Skillshare is a platform that pays by the minute watched, in the first month, I'm just going to scroll down, I was able to earn $30.92. So $10 of that was from a referral, because Skillshare would give you $10 every time you refer someone. And then I got $20.92 in royalties from, some of my course material that was watched. And so you say, well, how much does Skillshare pay? And online you see that people get paid between 5 cents and 10 cents a minute. And so how did that play out for me? Doing the math, not counting the referrals, the minutes that got watched for me, it worked out to about 6 cents a minute. So it would have been awesome to get paid 10 cents a minute, but 6 cents a minute is still better than uploading YouTube videos and getting paid, 0 cents a minute. So all in all, I wasn't really blown away, but honestly, the truth is I didn't put a ton of work into my videos. Okay, it's stuff that I maybe would have posted to YouTube. I didn't do any sort of extreme editing. I didn't do any, real solid outlining. I just made a couple videos and put them up there, and just to see what would happen, to see whether or not I could make any money at all before I really got down and invested in some tools and my time to really get going, because I just didn't want to put a ton of effort in something that was going to make me $0. So here's what I can say is my first month in Skillshare, I made $30.92. And so far for December, I've had fewer minutes watched this month, but I did get another referral. And you say, well, how do you get referrals? Well, I went on YouTube and made a video and compared Skillshare to Udemy and Teachable, just giving out information. And so that's another easy $10. So will I do this some more? I will. I plan to, after Christmas, hit this really hard again and see if I can get more minutes watched and see if I can make more than $30. And I think December is kind of a wash because, Christmas and, I've been really busy, so I don't expect to do more in December than I did in November. I expect to do less. But my hope is that if I hit it hard in January in the spring and February and March, that this number could go up dramatically. So that's where it's at. Come back, and check us out in a couple months and see where we are. And feel free to subscribe or hit the like button if this was helpful. And finally, if you don't know what Skillshare is, I'll just tell you it's a course creation platform that has a Netflix-style subscription method. So people don't buy per course. People buy, just pay a monthly subscription. It can be as low, I think, as $8 a month. So it's, about the cost of Netflix or less. And then you can just watch as much as you want. And so there are some really high quality courses available. And then there's some mediocre courses, probably like the ones that I put together. But, you can find a lot of great material there. And if you get referred by a teacher like me, they'll give you 2 months free. So that's how I was able to get referrals, and earn $10 is I'm able to give away 2 months for free. So if you want 2 months of Skillshare, click the link in the description. It's super easy. You don't have to pay me anything for it or do anything else or send me emails or anything. The link will just take you right to it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.